Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Blockman Go gaming app. If you are tired of the same name, now this is a chance for you to change the name. So let's get started. First of all, find the Blockman Go app on your home screen. Now open it. Once you open the app, here you can find this option at the bottom corner. Now tap on it. Then here you can find a little pencil icon at the top right corner. Now tap on it. Then there is a nickname option. Now simply tap on it. Now finally you can change the name of your account. Now remove the name and add whatever name that you would like to add to your account. And after changing the name, simply tap onto the check mark. And that's it. This is how you can change the name of your Blockman Go account easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.